everybody. I'm Shrinivas. I'm from Chennai, and I'm a manager in an IT company. I have about 70 people reporting to me. And I had a heart attack in 2015. Being a vegetarian and doing yoga and all that, but still I had a heart attack. And the thing is, I lost 70% efficiency of my heart, and I cannot revive it again. So I was a little scared at the same time, skeptical about my future and all that. Just continued eating good food and doing exercise, but I was not very confident about myself and about health actually. So I did this program. Accidentally, I came across this program, and I did this program and really understood what is health. One thing, the easy thing of this program which I did is I understood that health is not only about exercise and eating good food. There are certain dimensions which are beyond, eating and in doing good exercise, which we have to implement as part of our life. And I can see that difference in my productivity. Everything has changed. I'm able to do work which was, I could do 8 hours. Now I'm able to do my work in 5 hours. I'm more energetic to play with my daughter who's 7 years old. And, a fear of death has gone away because it's natural thing, right? When you have a 30% functional heart, you are a little worried. So Kayotsurk helped me in doing that. So many different aspects of this program helped me, and I'm living very happily with my 30% heart. I've done a health checkup regularly every 6 months and every 1 year. So I'm seeing there is no loss of the heart, quality of my heart functionality, and I'm very happy about that. Yes.